Namaste, my dear friends. From 1st October 2023 onwards, a new notification has been issued to amend the earlier notification. Resultantly, the new notification provides for an exemption on advance received in case of supply of goods, to state that registered persons making a supply of actionable claims as defined under section 2 subsection 102 capital A, section 2 subsection 102 capital A. What is the definition which is given here? Means specified actionable claims, which includes 6 specified actionable claims. 1. Gambling. 2. Casino, betting, lottery, horse racing, or 6th point, online money gaming. These 6 are specified actionable claims, which we are aware of that is none other than goods. Why? Section 2 subsection 52 of the CGST, goods defined, which includes actionable claims. The schedule 3, point number 6, supply excludes actionable claims, but their amendment from 1st October 2023, other than specified actionable claims, means specified actionable claims is not excluded from the scope of supply, is a supply of goods. If so, such supply of goods taken place for which there is advance payment received, such advance payment is time of supply, meaning thereby notification number 66 oblique 2017 is not going to apply when there is a supply of specified actionable claims, where we have notification number 50 oblique 2023 from 1st October 2023, which says that in the case of specified actionable claims, supply taken place as supply of goods for which supplier received the advance payment, that advance payment is time of supply, which I am presenting here simplified manner. The time of supply in case of supply of specified actionable claim shall be determined in accordance with the section 12 subsection 2. Section 12 subsection 2 of the CGST refers time of supply is nothing but the date of invoice or the date out to be issued the invoice or the payment received. Among the two, whichever is earlier, that is going to be exist. That is going to apply in the case of specified actionable claims, supply taken place, which is specific actionable claims as defined in section 2 subsection 102 capital A from 1st October 2023. This is what amendment one can expect in the exam of CA final, CMA final from May 2024 or June 2024 onwards. It will also be amendment for the intermediate level also for the May exam of 2024 CA intermediate or CMA intermediate. This is amendment applicable for their May 2024 or June 2024 examination. Advance payment is a time of supply. How to understand this means simple example. I am bringing to notice. Hopefully you may understand this. Sir, in the case where one Mrs. Poker Private Limited is registered person conducting, let us say, online money gaming. Registered person, he is supplying online money gaming. So now he is supplying online money gaming. This is supplied on 1st April 2024 to, let us say, Maybe there are so many other individuals also there. Therefore, to Mr. A. Mr. A. So here he is a supplier, he is the recipient, or I can say best way, seller, he is the buyer. He is the buyer, supplier and buyer. This is nothing but goods. Now, this fellow, for getting such the receipt of that goods, the namely online money gaming, he made the payment, paid for online money gaming. When paid on, let us say, on 8th February 2024. Now for the supplier, payment received 8th February, supply the goods on 1st April. In that case, section 12 subsection 2 of CGST Act applies. Read with notification number 50/2023 with effect from 1st October 2023. As a result, payment received or supply of goods taken place. Among these two, whichever is earlier. Technically speaks, invoice when issued. Now this fellow issued invoice, important to note. In the given case, invoice date, let us say invoice date here is 30th March 2024, invoice date. Here, invoice date 30th March, invoice issued on or before supply of goods? Yes, sir. In that case, the date of invoice 30th March, date of payment 8th February, which is earlier, 8th February earlier. Therefore, for this company, time of supply for the given company is 8th February 2024 for the Poker Private Limited. This is case 1. Sir, one more case, sir. For example, in case 1, if the invoice issued, let us say on 1st May 2024, that means what? Invoice out to be issued on or before, at least on 1st April, have issued a invoice not issued in accordance with section 31. In that case, the date out to be issued the invoice is 1st of April. The 1st of April or the date of receipt of payment, among the two, whichever is earlier, 1st of April or 8th of February, which is earlier. In the given case, 8th February is earlier. In that second case also, time of supply, second case, time of supply also remains same time of supply, namely 8th February is the time of supply. This is what this provision says, my dear friends, here. In the given case, time of supply, here it says that the date, section 12, subsection 2, date of issue of invoice. If the invoice issued in accordance with section 31(1), class A or class B, supply invoice movement or supply does not involve movement. It is supply invoice movement only. Therefore, on or before the movement of the goods should have issued the invoice. If issue the invoice, date of invoice. Or last date for issue of invoice. In the given case, last date to issue the invoice is 1st of April. But when you issued 1st of May, therefore this invoice cannot be considered for time of supply. So the last date to issue the invoice 1st of April or date of payment received, whichever is earlier. So in this regard, I mentioned or receipt of payment, whichever is earlier, whichever is earlier. This is only apply when there is a supply which belongs to section 2, subsection 102, capital A, where if there is a supply of specified actionable claims. Otherwise, other than specified actionable claims, any supply of goods, forward charge apply, notification number 66/2017 remains in force. Advance payment cannot be called as time of supply even after 1st October 2023. Even today also, if I supplied laptop, if I supplied furniture, if I supplied specs, if I sold cloth, as supply of goods, if I supplied as a forward charge applies, advance payment is not a time of supply.